প্রিয় ছাত্রছাত্রীরা, আমরা জানি যে তোমাদের স্কুল বন্ধ আছে, প্রিয় শিক্ষকদের ক্লাস থেকে বঞ্চিত হচ্ছ। আমরা সেই তোমাদের অসুবিধাটা পুষিয়ে নেওয়ার জন্য জেলা প্রশাসনের তরফ থেকে তোমাদেরই প্রিয় শিক্ষকদের মাধ্যমে বিভিন্ন বিষয়ে কন্টেন্ট তৈরি করে তোমাদের উদ্দেশ্যে আমরা পাঠাচ্ছি। আমরা ইউটিউব চ্যানেল, ফেসবুক পেজ, আমাদের লোকাল লিস্ট চ্যানেলে এগুলো প্রচার করার ব্যবস্থা করছি। আশা করি তোমরা সেগুলো দেখে শুনে তোমাদের যে প্রিয় শিক্ষকদের ক্লাসকে এনজয় করো। বাসায় বসে থেকে তোমাদের যে বিষয়ভিত্তিক পড়াশোনাগুলো আছে সেগুলো চালিয়ে যাও। বাসায় থাকো, সুস্থ থাকো, তোমাদের জন্য শুভকামনা।
Good morning, my dear students. How are you? You all aware that we are facing a critical situation due to COVID-19 virus. As such, our Honorable District Commissioner Sir has arranged some online classes to use your time properly. So I will conduct a class from 9 from English first paper. Dear students, do you know how many national days in our country? Yes, there are 3 national days in our country. Do you know the names of these days? Yes, 16 December is our Victory Day, 21st February is our International Mother Language Day, and 26th March is our Independence Day. Okay, today our lesson name is Independence Day. Independence Day. Unit 3, Lesson 5. Now student, look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? Yes, you can see in the picture a national memorial. Where is it? It is situated at Dhaka, at Sabar near Dhaka. Why was it built? It was built in memory of supreme sacrifice of the martyrs of our liberation war. So let's proceed our class. When you now students take your book and open page number 36. Now I am reading. When you read this passage, you will find out some difficult words. Now I am writing these difficult words on the board, and you take your notebook and write down. First one is joyful. Festival. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L. Do you know the meaning of festival? Yes, festival means joyful celebration. J-O-Y, joyful celebration. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-I-O-N. Joyful celebration. Do you know the meaning of enthusiasm? E-N-T-H-U-S-A-S-I-A-M. Enthusiasm. S-I-A-M. Enthusiasm means say excited. E-X-C-I, excited. Excited. Fervor. F-E-R-V-O-U-R. Fervor. Do you know the meanings of fervor? Yes, fervor meaning is very strong feeling about something. Very strong feeling feeling about something. Now students, do you know the meaning of merge? Do you know the meaning of homage? H-U-M-A-G. Homage means respect. Do you know the meanings of martyrs? M-A-R-T-Y-R. Martyr means who sacrificed his own life for a noble cause. Who sacrifice, S-E-C-R-I-F-I-C, sacrifice his life for noble cause. Wreath. Do you know the meaning of wreath? Wreath, W-R-E-A-T-H. W-R-E-A-T-H. Wreath means one person who watches, who W-A-T-C-H-E-S, watches a game or a show or other events. Do you know the sorry, this meaning is not correct. Wreath means an arrangement of leaves and flowers in a circular shape. And a spectator means one person who watches, W-A-T-C-H-E-S, watches a game or a show and other events. Do you know the meaning of illuminate? Illuminate means light up. L-I-G-H-T, light up. And homage means respect. Now students, open your book and look at page number 36. Now I am reading this passage loudly and you are read this passage silently. 26 March, our Independence Day, is the biggest state festival. Festival means joyful celebration. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. Enthusiasm means excited and fervor means very strong feeling about something. It is a national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with a 31-gun salute. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister on behalf of the nation place floral wreath. Floral means related to flowers. A wreath means an arrangement of leaves and flowers in a circular shape. At the National Mausoleum, look at a student, Mausoleum, Mausoleum. Its pronunciation is Mausoleum. At Shabar, then other leaders, political parties, diplomats. Diplomats means government representative abroad. Social and cultural organizations, educational institutions and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. Homage means respect and martyrs means who sacrificed his life for a noble cause. People from all walks of life also go there in religious and processions. There are many cultural programs throughout the day, highlighting the heroic. Highlighting means emphasize the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. In Bangabandhu National Stadium, school children, scouts and girls guides take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. Spectators means one person who watches a game or a sport or other events. Educational institutions also organize their individual programs. Sports meets and tournaments are also organized on the day, including the exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. In the evening, all major public buildings are illuminated. Illuminated means light up with colorful lights. Bangla Academy, Bangladesh Shilpakala Academy and other socio-cultural organizations hold cultural functions. Similar functions are also arranged in other places in our country. Dear students, by reading this passage, we are able to know our Independence Day and how do we celebrate it. Now students, you are also take your book, open page number and take your book and read the passage again. Read the passage again and choose the best answer which are given in your text. I think you will need 2 or 3 minutes to read this passage. Okay student, choose the best answer. Our first question is, our biggest state festival is 1. Our biggest BIGGST or biggest festival is a Victory Day, VICTURY, Victory Day. B. Shohid Divas, Pahela Boishakh, BUISHK, Pahela Boishakh and in D, Independence Day. Independence Day. So student, here answer will be Independence Day. Number 2. Number 2, the celebration of Independence Day begins with the celebration of Independence Day. Independence Day begins with and number is processions. B, gun salute. C, place wreath at the National Mausoleum. Placing wreath at the National Mausoleum. MAUSELUM. Mausoleum. The number is parade by defense forces. Parade by defense forces. So our here answer will be national. The celebration of Independence Day begins with gun salute. So answer will be gun salute. B. Third one is the National Mausoleum is the National Mausoleum. MAUSOLEUM. Mausoleum is on Dhaka University campus. On Dhaka University campus. B, at Ramna Park. C, at Shabar. At Shabar and near Dhaka Medical College and near Dhaka Medical College. Yes, here answer will at Shabar. C at Shabar. And fourth one is on Independence Day, various displays are held. On Independence Day, various various displays are held. The various displays are held. A number at the National Parade Ground. At the National Parade Ground. B. In the streets. In the streets. In the decorated vehicles. In the decorated vehicles. In the decorated vehicle. VHICLES. VHICLES. Vehicles. And these in Bangabandhu Stadium. In Bangabandhu Stadium. Here answer will in Bangabandhu Stadium. And 4 multiple questions are given in your text. And your homework will will choose the best answer. D. Choose the best answer from your text. And this is end of our class. Thank you by attending in class. Stay home, stay safe.